So hi guys, welcome to Tech of India. In this age, we see a lot of computers around us in our personal and official life. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks to boost your productivity and overall user experience. As a bonus, you would be rewarded with boosted tips along the video. So watch till the end. Guys, if you have a whole bunch of apps open at a time, then this trick will be very useful to you. If you press the Windows key plus M, you can straightly go to your desktop. If you click Windows plus Shift plus M, you will get all your tabs back. Guys, if you want to write an email while listening to songs or seeing a video, or referring an article while writing a document, here's the tip for you. Now we are going to see how to run two apps side by side. So let's get started. First, click on the restore down icon and hold on the top tab and drag it down to the left or right corner. You can see a transparent box appearing. Take the little up to make the transparent box half of the screen. Leave the mouse to get the Word document. Now, click on whatever app do you want here and you get all the things too side by side. So now, you can refer an article and write it here. Guys, this tip will be very useful for those who work with the same desktop for official and personal. So now we are going to see how to create two desktops in the same computer. So let's see how to do that. First, go to the task view. Then you see many desktops here. You can switch between one and another and another. The pro tip here is you can switch fastly between apps here like this. If you want to go to Chrome or Skype, you can do it like this. To do it faster, you can press Alt plus Tab to move between the apps. Continue pressing the Alt, but click Tab alone to move between one app to another. Guys, if you have multiple tabs open in your browser and want to quickly switch between them, there's a keyboard shortcut for that also. You can press Ctrl plus page up to switch between tabs easily. The pro tip here is, to create a tab, you can simply press Ctrl plus T to create a new tab. You can create how many ever tabs you want. You might know how to open two tabs in your browser. But do you know how to open two browsers? That's what we are going to learn now. So, first go to your browser. I am using Chrome. Double left click to open it. Do the trick I said first to open half the window. Next, go to the Chrome again, but this time right click once to get this. Click on New Window under the tasks. Another window pops up. Do the same thing with the right end to get two Chromes. Now you can type a document in one and watch a video in the other. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked our video, please like, share, subscribe, comment and ring the bell icon to get instant notifications from Tech of India.